How are you all? Fine? Very good. Welcome back to Nagesh Karasgi Orchid School channel. Children, tell me what we have learned in a previous session. Yes, we have learned about some people who help us in our day-to-day life. Tell me, have you read the information about those people? Yes, very good. Now tell me about whom we have seen the information, or whose information I had given you in the last session. Correct. Teacher, doctor, hairdresser, postman, milkman, gardener, then cobbler. Very good. Means we have learned the information about these people in a previous session. So today we will learn about some more people. Okay? Are you ready with your books? If not, then open your books, page number 210. Keep your books in front of you. See students, in the previous session already we have learnt about teacher, doctor, hairdresser, postman, milkman, soldier, gardener and about a cobbler. Now we will learn about some more people. For example, sweeper, policeman, watchman and about a tailor. Okay? Now see, look at to her. Who is she? Yes, she is a sweeper. See, a sweeper keeps our surroundings clean. Who keeps our surroundings clean? A sweeper keeps our surroundings clean. He sweeps the land for the purpose that there should not be any kind of dirt or litter on the road. For what purpose he or she sweeps the land? For the purpose that there should not be any kind of litter or dirt on the road. Got it? A sweeper keeps our surroundings clean. Who keeps our surroundings clean? A sweeper. Next, see, a police. See, look at to him. Who is he? Yes, correct. He is a police. The police keep us safe and catch people who do wrong things. What does he do? The police keep us safe. Who keep us safe? The police. And catch people who do wrong things. Because of policemen, our lives and property are safe. And do you know, as I told you before, that policemen are the gardener of laws and order. They are the gardener of laws and order. And those who break the laws and order, they punish them. Got it? See, next, he is a watchman. Who is he? He is a watchman. A watchman guards our neighborhood. Who guards our neighborhood? A watchman guards our neighborhood. Or a watchman is a person whose job is to protect a building or a area. Do you know what is meant by neighborhood? Yes, neighborhood means the area around our house is known as a neighborhood. Now next, see, look at to him. Who is he? Yes, he is a tailor. A tailor stitches our clothes. Who stitches our clothes? A tailor stitches our clothes. And very beautiful, attractive clothes he stitches. Got it? Now, come to the next page. See children, we should thank these people for all the work they do to help us. We must thank to all these people. Why? Because they work for us. Anytime they are ready to work for us, anytime they are ready to help us. That's why we should thank these people. We can also be helpers by helping others in our own little ways. As possible as to us, we can help to other people. Okay, and we must always respect these elders. We should never insult these people. Why? Because they are our helpers. They help to us and they work for us. Whenever we need, they are ready to help us and they make our lives very simple. Got it, children? So, in this lesson, what we have learned or what information we have learned about the people who help us? Yes. See, people who help us. Very first we have learned about teacher. What does teacher do? Teacher help us to learn new things as well as he help us to read and write. Next one, postman. Postman is a person who brings letter for us. Next one is a hairdresser. Hairdresser cuts our hair. Next one, a police. Because of police, we are safe. And they catch the people who do wrong things. Next, a doctor. A doctor is a person who takes care of our health. Next one, tailor. He stitches clothes for us. Next, sweeper. Sweeper keeps our surroundings clean. Next is a milkman. What does he do? Yes, he brings milk for us. Next is a watchman. Next is a soldier. Soldier protect our country. Next is a gardener who takes care of a garden. And next one is a cobbler who mends our shoes. Okay? This we have learnt in this lesson. Okay? Now, we will solve some question answers related to this lesson. Okay? So, everybody take your pencil. Are you ready? Okay. See, things you know. Question A is match the following. See, here two columns are given. In first column, the names of our helpers or the people who help us are given, and in the next column, their jobs are given or what things they do for us, it is given in the second column. We have to match it correctly. Okay? See, first one is a cobbler. C-O-B-B-L-E-R. Cobbler. Now tell me, what does he do? Yes? Correct. He mends shoes. A cobbler mends shoes. See, it is here. M-E-N-D-S mends S-H-O-E-S. Shoes. Before that, as usual, give dots in front of each word so that you can match it properly. Now match it. Cobbler mends shoes. Done. Next, P-O-L-I-C-E, police. What does he do? Yes, police catch thieves. See, it is here. C-A-T-C-H, catch, T-H-I-E-V-E-S, thieves. Police catch thieves. Do with me. Done. Next one, sweeper. What does he do? Yes, sweeper cleans our surroundings. Very good. It is first one. Match it here. Sweeper cleans our surroundings. Done. See next one, gardener. Who takes care of garden? Yes, of course, gardener takes care of our garden and make it beautiful. Very good. Match it. Gardener makes our garden beautiful. Done. Now come to the next question. Question B. Write yes or no. Here some sentences are given. In front of these sentences we have to write either yes or no. Okay. Listen first. The postman brings letter. Yes or no? Who brings letter for us? Correct. A postman brings letter. So what you will write here? Yes or no? Yes. Very good. Write Y-E, yes, yes. Write with me, and while writing, say each word. Done. Next one. The cobbler guards our house. Is it a cobbler guards our house? No. Then who guards our house? Yes, a watchman guards our house, not a cobbler. Next one, see. The teacher helps us to read and write. Is it correct? Who help us to read and write? Yes. The teacher helps us to read and write. So what you will write here? Yes. Y-E-S. Yes. Done. Next. See. The milkman brings vegetables for us. Is it correct? Who brings vegetable for us? Milkman? No. Then what he brings for us? Yes, milkman brings milk for us. So what you will write here? No. N-O. No. Done? Okay. Now come to the next page. See next question. Answer in one word. Here we have to write the answers in only one word. See, question first is, who guards our house? Tell me who guards our house? Correct. A watchman. Write here. O. One finger space. Write. Watchman. W-A-T-C-H-M-A-N. A watchman. A watchman guards our house. Once again I will repeat the spelling. W-A-T-C-H-M-A-N. Watchman. Next question. Who looks after our health? Who looks after our health, or who takes care of our health? Gardener? No. Then? Yes, a doctor. Right here. A doctor. D-O-C-T-O-R. A doctor. Done. Next, who protects our country? Who protects our country? Correct. A soldier. Right. A soldier. S-O-L-J-E-R. D-I-E-R. Soldier. A soldier protects our country. Next question, listen. Who stitches our clothes? Who stitches our clothes? Milkman? No. Then correct. A tailor. Right. A tailor. T-A-I-L-O-R. Tailor. Done? Very good. Now listen the next question. Question D. Answer in one sentence. Here two questions are given and we have to answer in one sentence. Listen, first question. How do doctors help us? Can you tell me how do doctors help us? Yes. A doctor takes care of our health. Once again I will repeat. A doctor takes care of our health. Listen, next question. What does a sweeper do? What does a sweeper do? Yes, a sweeper keeps our surroundings clean. Once again I will repeat. A sweeper keeps our surroundings clean. Is that clear? Okay. Now come to the next question. Question E. Get busy. See, match the situations in the left column with the helpers you will need in the right column. Listen the question once again. Match the situations in the left column. See, this is the left column and this is the right column. In the left column, some situations are given and we have to match these situations with the helpers given in a right column who will need us. Okay. See the left column. What do you see in the left column? See, one shoes, the picture of shoes is given here and see the condition of shoes. It has torn. Next, what do you see in the next picture? Yes, in the next picture, a boy is sleeping on the bed and he is sick. And see in the next picture, yes, he is who is he? He is a thief. Now see, listen, if the shoes has torn, then who will mend it? Police, cobbler or doctor? Yes, a cobbler will mend the shoes. So match it here. Before that, put some dots in front of each picture. Next, now tell me, who will treat to the boy if he is sick? Policeman or doctor? Sorry, policeman or doctor? Yes, a doctor will treat to the boy. See next one, he is a thief and he has stolen something from someone's house. Then who will catch him? Yes, a policeman will catch him. Done? Very good. Now see, next one, things to do. See, name each of these items and name the helper who uses this. See, downside, some pictures means the pictures of some items are given. You have to name those items and you have to tell the name of helper who uses this. See the first picture, what it is? Yes, it is a sewing machine. Can you tell me Who use this? For what purpose we use the sewing machine? Yes, we use sewing machine to stitch the clothes. Then tell me, who stitches our clothes? Milkman? Cobbler? No. A tailor stitches our clothes. Means the name of this item is sewing machine and a tailor uses this. Correct? Next, see what it is? Syringe or injection. Now tell me, who uses this syringe? Yes, a doctor uses the syringe to inject us. Got it? What is this? It is a syringe, and who uses a syringe? Doctor. Next one, see. What is that? Yes, it is a pair of scissors, or it is a scissor. Tell me, who uses scissors? Correct. Tailor uses the scissors to cut the pieces of cloths. Got it? What is this? Scissor. And who uses this? Tailor. Tailor uses the scissors to cut the pieces of cloths. Done? Now come to the next page. See, on this page one activity is given. What you have to do? People do different kinds of work. This makes our lives easier. All jobs are important. Means whatever the jobs people are doing, all the jobs are important for them. We should respect everyone's work. We should not make fun of anyone's work. We should not laugh on their work, because that jobs are important for them and they are important for us. Why? Because they help us. That's why we should respect everyone's work. Show your respect by making a thank you card and giving it to someone who helped us. Here you have to make one thank you card for that person who helped you, and you have to give that thank you card to him or her. Got it? So children, what we have learned today? We have learned about some people who help us in our day-to-day life. Okay. Now I will play one video. You just listen and see the video carefully.
People who help us. In our daily life, we do many things. We brush our teeth, dress up for school, play in the park, do our homework. But we cannot do everything by ourselves. We fall sick. We want to learn new things. We need to get a haircut. We are hungry. So, there are many people who help us in our daily life. The doctor helps us when we are sick. Teacher helps us in learning new things. The barber helps us in trimming our hair. Mother cooks healthy and tasty food for us.
Once again, listen the video, students.
People who help us. In our daily life, we do many things. We brush our teeth, dress up for school, play in the park, do our homework. But we cannot do everything by ourselves. We fall sick. We want to learn new things. We need to get a haircut. We are hungry. So, there are many people who help us in our daily life. The doctor helps us when we are sick. Teacher helps us in learning new things. The barber helps us in trimming our hair. Mother cooks healthy and tasty food for us. People who...
Okay. Students, do you understood what we have learned today? So what is your today's homework? You have to make a thank you card for that person who helped you, and also you have to read the lesson number 8, people who help us, and you have to read out the information about the people who help us. Okay, we will meet in the next session. Till the next session, take care. Bye students.